Google has just announced their apprenticeship program and you are eligible even if you have zero experience. Yes, you heard it right, and in this particular video I'll be covering about what to expect. Are you even eligible? What are the programs they are offering? What is the salary expectation, and what can you work full-time for Google in the future also? But 80% of the people don't subscribe our channel. Make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss these kind of opportunities. With that said, let's get started with this amazing opportunity by Google. So Google has opened their apprenticeship program in 4 different sectors, which is digital business marketing, which is digital marketing in general, data analytics, software development, and project management. Now for each and every program there is a separate eligibility, but even if you have 0 years of experience, you are eligible in each of these programs. Whether you are a technical student or a non-technical student, you should choose based on whatever degree you are pursuing or have already completed or graduated. If I talk about the software application development program, the last date to apply in all these is 14th of September 2025. Make sure you apply before that. There is an eligibility criteria for each of these programs, but one common thing across the board is you have to have your Aadhaar linked with your phone number. It's very important, and the best part is by the end of this apprenticeship, which is around 12 to 24 months, in the last 3 months you will be eligible or you can apply to full-time roles at Google. As you can read here, apprentices may apply for full-time roles at Google when they reach the final 3 months of this apprenticeship program. This is how it is being pronounced. Okay, so the whole process may spread across 12 to 24 months, which is a very long period, but 20% of the time you will be getting the training from mentors or guidance from them, learning the things. 80% of the time you will be working on the products. Yes, you will be working on the product as a project manager or software developer or data analytics apprentice or digital business marketing apprentice. Preferred qualification, they have mentioned that you need to have certain knowledge of tools, certain understanding of fundamentals and concept which is related to software development. Similarly, for data analytics, they have mentioned certain tools and fundamentals that you need to have. For instance, SQL programming or data analytics interest needs to be there. You need to have understanding of statistic work or mathematics fundamentals, which are mandatory to be a data analyst. For digital marketing, there are certain tools and things that they have mentioned. For instance, experiences in any of the industry, ability to work with ambiguous tasks, ability to work independently with the teamwork, project management if I talk about. So what my intent about this is, you should read about each of these programs, find your fit and then apply to that particular program. I'm focusing more on software application development because majority of the students are from there. You have to have obviously understanding of programming language to be qualified for this. Now selection process may take a lot of time, but you don't have to worry about it. It's an amazing program where you will be getting all the benefits that other Google engineers get. The food, the perks, the benefits that every Google engineer gets, you will be getting. You will be working in person in the offices in different locations across India. The free food, which is very popularly known, have been spread by all those influencers, you will get that as well. You will be getting certification throughout the program. Since it will be a training initially, you will be getting mentorship, you will be getting career coaching under this particular program. The most important part where everyone is confused is what salary you will be getting throughout this particular apprenticeship program. Now the average for all the 4 programs is 5 to 6 lakh rupees. And it does not include bonuses. If you'll include bonuses, it may increase a bit, but the most important part is you will be getting the background or the authenticity or the credibility from Google, and in the last 3 months you will be eligible for full-time roles at Google. You can apply directly and you might get hired based on the work that you have did already in the apprenticeship. There will be a hiring process, there will be interviews, so you have to prepare. You have to prepare. For instance, you are preparing for software development, you have to have knowledge understanding, you have to have CS fundamental understanding, data structures might get asked. If you are learning for applying for data analytics, SQL is one of the most important topics. Data implementation, data pipelines is one of the most important topics. Data interpretation is one of the most important topics. For PM roles, organizational tools, documentation practices, and I've kept all these things in a particular guide, prep guide, which I've prepared for you, from which you can understand what you need to prepare and how you can perform or get hired as an apprentice in Google Apprenticeship Program. That's all from this video. Do not forget the date, 14th of September 2025 is the last date to apply. Make sure to apply before that and use the prep guide and the resume link that I've mentioned in the description for you to get